What's happening, everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim, back again with another great amazing tech video. Actually, the video today is all about the Tecno Camon 11. If you guys don't know about this kind of flagship, well, it has a notch. Now Tecno adapted a notch since there's an ecosystem of Apple. Now a lot of companies nowadays, they're adapting the same notch for the full display, like how they're saying, but there's actually no any full display. Now let us just get started here. Now the Tecno Camon 11 has a little bit kind of different specification compared to the Tecno Camon 11 Pro. Now let us just begin with the Tecno Camon 11. Now the Tecno Camon 11 gives you a 6.2 inch aspect ratio full display and gives you a full view, and you get that 3GB and 4GB of RAM. I know it's a little bit confusing there, but we'll come up to the conclusion. Now you get a 32GB of storage to 64GB of storage, and you get that 16-megapixel selfie camera. Now when it comes to selfie, we have seen Tecno doing amazing job for sure. That's for sure. No any company I can say they came across selfie. I know there are a lot of companies that are doing marvelous on selfie, but for a budget device that's selfie, well, it's Tecno. Well, yeah. And in Phoenix, yeah, that's what's up. So another kind of stuff which got me captured is the 13-megapixel camera at the back. Now there's a 2 dual cameras at the back, which is something which is so great, so crispy and so nice. But they adapted the same ecosystem of iPhone X. It looks at the back like an iPhone X. The only difference is the fingerprint at the back. Another kind of stuff which is so great about this device is 3750 mAh battery. Still, it's a good battery. It can give you almost 2 days using it completely, using it. So yeah, so this is the Tecno Camon 11 specification. Now jumping out the box, there's a Tecno Camon 11 Pro. If you don't know about that, there's a little bit of only minor changes. Now the 6.2 aspect body ratio just resembles the same as the Tecno Camon 11. The only main change is the processor, and the only main change is RAM. Now the Tecno Camon 11 gives you a 6GB of RAM, and you get that 24-megapixel selfie camera. Now they killed it on here because we see Tecno Camon 11 has a 16-megapixel camera, while the Tecno Camon 11 Pro has a 24-megapixel camera, which is something which is so great. It's a 16-megapixel camera and a 5-megapixel camera at the back, which still you can see it's a little bit minor compared to the Tecno Camon 11. It's a 13-megapixel and 2-megapixel at the back. They both shoot a wide angle and a macro, something like that. And another kind of stuff upon the battery, they all have the same battery. Now jumping on to the processor, I didn't talk about it from the Tecno Camon 11. The Tecno Camon 11 has a quad-core processor of 2.0 GHz clock speed, while Tecno Camon 11 has an octa-core processor. 8 processor doesn't make the core doesn't make the performance become so huge in size. It's just the same processor. They say like it's logically it's physically 4 processor, but logically 8 processor when it comes to octa-core. Now the Tecno Camon 11 has 8 cores of 2.0 GHz clock speed. Now it does not that much affect the performance since we are only focusing on 6GB of RAM. Now the 6GB of RAM is the one which gonna handle all the application, all the multitasking, all the messaging, everything undergoing with your smartphone. It gonna be handled on the 6GB of RAM on the Tecno Camon 11 Pro, while the other one still does the best because it has a 4GB of RAM and a 3GB of RAM. Now this is up on the processor. The processor has an MT6761, which is so great, and the other one, which is Tecno Camon 11 Pro, has 6762. Now it's a little bit minor changes throughout the processor of MTKE. I've been talking about it on my videos, like there's a MediaTek, there's Snapdragon, there's Qualcomm, there's a lot of processor chipset, but they all do something which is so great. So yeah, that's what's up. Now jumping out to the conclusion on the Tecno Camon 11, is it that much worth it? Because we all know that the notch has a bigger effect, and a lot of people, they will grab the phone because they want the notch. They want to experience how iPhone X looks like with the notch. Definitely. And I give it go to the other side. But to the other side, when it comes to updates, I've been like Come on, guys, Tecno, come on, come on, for real. You've been letting us down because you don't roll out any update. You guys don't roll out any update. You are stacking on the Android Nougat. You stack it forever. Now, don't expect Tecno whenever you purchase their device. That's a downside of them. Don't purchase a device from them and you think the Android gonna be upgraded. It's only gonna change the UI. I've seen it a lot. I've been using the Tecno Camon CX since we purchased it last time and we have been reviewing it. It has already been here home for quite longer and I've been testing out to get updates, but still no any updates. Actually, no any updates. Now we are stuck on Android Nougat and we are actually waiting for the Android 8.1 if we can get that kind of update. So even the Phantom 6, you can see all the series of Tecno devices, they don't get update because of actually not getting that ultra update. So yeah, that's what's up. So thank you guys for watching. If you love this video, make sure that you hit the thumbs up. If you didn't get subscribed, make sure that you subscribe to your homeboy here. I really appreciate that. And dear Tecno, just get the feedback from the people and just try to roll out update. We'll really appreciate that on that one. So thank you guys for watching and I'll be catching you guys on the next one. I hope you enjoyed the video today and that's what's up. So peace.